What's up, little chefs? The holidays are here, and I am so happy to show you how to make some Cajun air fried turkey wings. So let's get right into it because I know your family is going to love it. Here's the seasoning that I did use: Cajun seasoning, oregano, pepper, smoked paprika, salt, baking powder for crispiness, and cayenne pepper for a little kick. A little bit of staple, which is a yellow mustard. I melted down some butter. We're going to add that in later. And right now I'm just poking the turkey wings because we want that seasoning to the bone, sis. We want that seasoning throughout the chicken, not just on that skin. We want it to hit the bone. So this is just going to help it seep in. So I'm going to add that mustard that I showed you guys earlier, throw in that melted butter. And this is the ticket to Flavor Town, which is all of our seasonings. And listen, we're going to massage this turkey wing like we rub on a man that loves us, okay? From his head to his toes, we're going to get all up in it and we're going to rub it down. Drizzle in some oil just to get everything all together. Make sure everything is all combined. And then I'm actually going to marinate this for about an hour and a half. Now listen, sis, if you don't have an air fryer, that's totally fine. You can just dip the turkey wing in some flour and fry it up. But I just like the air fryer, a little bit healthier, okay? But I put it in this air fryer and look at it doing what it needs to do. God's work. Looks amazing. Hope y'all enjoy.